so I can make the left turn, the third right turn. So I'm counting the right turns. This is the first right turn at the waiting box. I'm looking at the car ahead of me. He's over the white line, so I'm just being extra careful.
Yards, turn right, Dunbeth Avenue.
So that was my first right turn. Where the patrol sign is, the school sign, that's my second right turn. After the 20 sign with the grey coloured cars coming out, that's my right turn there. So I'm checking my mirror, signaling right, positioning my car. Can I make that turn? No, because I wouldn't be able to walk across that road while he was coming, so I'm stopping. And now I'm making the turn. On the left hand side here, if you're going to do a maneuver, it'll be down this road and they'll make you do parallel parking. Most likely where the black Audi is, just in front of me here. So I'm just letting these cars come past, checking my mirrors, moving out to the right. I see somebody there with the van door open, so just being extra careful. This is a 20 zone, do not go more than 20.